At SMFG India Credit, our CSR efforts guided by our promise, Uday Ek Nai Subha, are aimed at empowering communities for generations. This year, our programs touched over 7 lakh lives, spanning livelihood enhancement, healthcare, education and environment, along with continued focus on ESG, creating opportunities and nurturing resilience. Some of our key projects were Sakhi. Our flagship initiative helped over 90,000 underserved women take charge of their financial journeys. Through simple practical sessions on budgeting, saving, responsible borrowing, insurance basics, digital payments and fraud awareness, everyday financial decisions transformed into confidence. The impact: more than 5,000 recurring deposit and fixed deposit accounts opened. Over 500 women availed schemes like Sukanya Samriddhi and PPF, and 2,500 plus women secured their futures through social security schemes like Atal Pension Yojana. Sakhi reached some of the remotest districts across India, making every milestone even more meaningful. Krishi Mitra, one of our earliest CSR initiatives, continues to strengthen India's farming communities. This year alone, the program benefited 16,000 plus farmers, offering practical demonstrations and hands-on guidance in organic farming. A major milestone was the formation of Ek Nai Subha Krishi Vikas Farmer Producer Company, a collective that helps farmers aggregate their produce, access formal markets and secure better prices. Krishi Mitra is transforming vulnerability into collective strength, enabling farmers to grow sustainably, earn better and build a stronger tomorrow. Healthcare. Jyoti, sustainable eye care. For 10 years, Jyoti has been bringing sustainable eye care closer to communities that need it the most. Through 15 vision care centers and 2 mobile vision vans, the program has improved the lives of 1.37 lakh people across regions. To mark this milestone, we aligned our efforts with Shaka Kachi Day, supported by SMFG Japan, raising awareness among employees about avoidable blindness. Expert-led sessions, iLearn modules, videos and emailers helped deepen awareness, and employees were encouraged to pledge their eyes through a government portal, extending the gift of sight beyond today. On ground, our eye care camps continue to make a difference, supporting 850 cataract surgeries, distributing 4,800 spectacles, and screening 12,000 plus individuals. Nirmaya, our flagship healthcare program, is bringing essential medical services to the last mile. With 18 mobile health vans operating across 12 states, and in partnership with district administrations and government agencies, we impacted over 4 lakh individuals, strengthening primary healthcare delivery where it is needed the most. This year, our initiatives like Yuva Kaushal, Jivika, Cybersecurity Education Project continue to strengthen communities across India, empowering youth, women, students and rural households. And on 14 February 2026, we celebrated the 8th edition of Pashu Vikas Day at 510 locations across India, providing care to 1.4 lakh cattle and supporting 30,000 cattle owners in a single day. SMFG Griha Shakti, now in its 3rd year. SMFG Griha Shakti's CSR initiatives have an enhanced focus on environment-led projects like rainwater harvesting, solar electrification and eco-friendly playgrounds. Continuing our projects for construction workers, we enrolled and renewed 7,000 workers with the Board of Building and Other Construction Welfare, enabling access to social security and government benefits. Under healthcare, our eye screening camps and AI-enabled health camps for low-income communities proved fruitful. This year, SMFG Griha Shakti's CSR touched 30,000 plus lives, reflecting our commitment to creating resilient communities and a greener future. ESG milestone. This year, we earned our first ever domestic ESG rating from ICRA, a SEBI-registered agency, scoring 78 and being placed in the good category. Aligning with our parent company's vision, we launched our first ESG learning module and our first ESG policy. Together, we are proving that sustainability is not just a mandate, it's a mindset. Employee volunteering. Our employees continue to make a meaningful difference through blood donation drives, recycling initiatives, water body cleanups, tree plantations, and Ek Muthi Chawal, strengthening our culture of giving. At SMFG India Credit, every initiative is a step towards a brighter tomorrow. Together, we are creating opportunities, nurturing communities, and building a sustainable future. Uday, एक नई सुबह।